In this Injecto review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's claiming to make people $20 over and over again every day. I'm going to be showing you exactly what this software is and what it isn't. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Injecto, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. The last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. If you decide to pick this up and you purchase it through my link, you're going to get all these extra bonuses waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says new for 2021, the world's first ever cash injecting system. 3-click cash injection system forces $20 payments into our accounts 12 times or more per day by exploiting 5 platforms worth $139 billion. The more we do this, the more we get paid. So it's a very hypey headline here with this. It's something that we're used to seeing over and over again on Warrior Plus. But what is this actually about? What this actually is, it's a software that allows you to stream videos on the Twitch platform as if they are live. And the Twitch platform, you can see it right here. You might have heard of it before. It's a platform that a lot of people do live streams on. It's traditionally known for video games and esports, but there are other categories here as well. With this. So it's got all kinds of different things on it, all kinds of people just doing live videos on here. So essentially what this software allows you to do is to stream videos live on Twitch. I've actually never seen a live Twitch streaming software before. Now, if we go over back here to the sales page here, they talk about making like $20 payments over and over again. The reason why they talk about $20 payments is because they are recommending that you do affiliate marketing with this. So you put your affiliate links in and you make money as an affiliate on this platform. Now they've got big income claims here, $98,000 worth of cash. So this is money. I'm sure that they've got this money in their accounts. They show big screenshots here, like get Injecto, activate it, and start making money over and over again. All these different screenshots, but we don't know if that's coming from Twitch, and I'm highly doubting that that's coming from Twitch. That's from doing affiliate marketing here. So the money they're talking about is from doing affiliate marketing, not necessarily from Twitch. I just want to make sure that you guys know that. If you're going to buy this, buy it because you want to have a software that live streams on Twitch. Don't buy it because you think you're going to make push button income and start making millions of dollars overnight. That's not going to happen with anything out there. Like, let's step back a little bit. We all know that, right? It's not going to happen. So just make sure you know this is a tool. This isn't a push button income machine thing, right? Okay, let's make sure we're on the same page. So if we go down here, we look at more sales page stuff here. Again, this is money that they've made from doing sales and affiliate marketing online, yada, yada, yada. If we go down to what you're going to actually get if you purchase this, these sales pages get longer and longer all the time. If you purchase, you're going to have access to the system, the training, the software, bunch of extra bonuses here for a one load time price. They've got an additional add-on. It's a $77 per inject add-on. I don't know what that is. It's a $4.95 upgrade. You can add that in if you want to with this. Now, here's one thing I want to show you though. If you are considering purchasing this tool for your business, if you want to be able to stream videos even videos that you haven't created yourself live on Twitch, if you're going to buy, make sure when you're on the sales page, you move your mouse away. You're going to get a discount. So you can get a $2 discount on it. Now, I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, but I always want you to know if you're on my channel, you're going to get the lowest price possible, and you're going to know everything you need to know if you're going to decide to purchase. So give me a like if you like the fact that I show you these discounts and you want me to keep doing it here. That every time I get a like, I know that people like the fact that I show that, and I appreciate that. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you a quick demo of the actual software in action. And then when that's done, I'll be back to show you, again, the backend area and all the different OTOs and the discounts.
Hello guys, welcome to this amazing video. And today I'm going to show you the world's first ever cash injecting system called Injecto. Injecto is a 3-click cash injection system that forces $20 payments into our accounts over and over again by exploiting 5 platforms worth $139 billion. So I'm going to show you exactly how this simple app works in just 3 simple clicks. All you have to do is just to log into your account first. Then I'm going to enter my password and click on the sign in button. Now once you click on the sign in button, it's going to take you to Injecto dashboard, as you can see. So this is Injecto dashboard. You can see the welcome message. Then you can see the 3 simple clicks you need to actually perform in order to start generating income from Injecto. So as you can see, we have the live viewers where you can see the live viewers on your platform. So Injecto is actually a cloud-based app that allow you to go live or schedule pre-recorded video on an underutilized video platform called Twitch. So I'm going to show you how this whole thing works. As you can see, so you can see here we have the upload video, which is the first thing you need to do. And trust me, you don't even have to create the video from scratch. You don't even have to create the video yourself. So you can either select video from the YouTube platform, or you can upload your own video file. I'm also going to show you a simple way to create video in less than 60 seconds. So after that, you can see we have the automate event. This is where you can actually create and schedule your live events. And the last one, we have the manage live events. This is where you can check your events. You see the insights, you see the analytics, you see the total number of people that were live on your video, you see the number of people that took action and all that. So you can always see that there. And this is the live viewer stats, as you can see. So the first step is to come to the menu section. As you can see, we have the dashboard, we have the select video, we have the video creator. Like I said, this is optional. Injecto allow you to get access to thousands, millions of videos that you can select from and use it to go live and get traffic, live traffic and sales to any link. So we also have the events where you can manage the events. We have the training section. We have the video downloader that you can use to download video from other 5 amazing platforms like Facebook, like YouTube, like TikTok, and so many others, Vimeo and the likes. So the very first step is to click on the select video button, or you can as well just click on the first button there. So once you do that, you need to actually create an account with Twitch. So you can head over to twitch.com, twitch.tv rather. So we'll be making use of this amazing platform to go live on this platform. As you can see, they have 34,000 people here. Can you see all these channels? 30,000, 2,000, 20,000. So this is a live video currently. As you can see, it has 10,000 viewers. Imagine you go live with a pre-recorded video, a video you don't even create, and you're getting thousands of viewers on your video. This is going to translate to lots of traffic and in return cash into your pocket. So this is an amazing platform that is underutilized, and this is the first time we are creating a software that allows you to automate this whole process. So you need to create an account here. So once you create an account with twitch.tv, it's free of charge. The next thing you need to do is to go back to your Injecto app. So you enter your name, as you can see, then your Twitch username. So I'm going to enter my Twitch username, then your Twitch password. You can select your time zone. So that's my time zone. So I'm going to enter my Twitch password. So once I enter the password, I'm going to click on Save Changes. And as you can see, the settings has been saved. So once you have done that, the next thing you need to do is to click on Request Twitch Access Token. So once you click on that, it's going to add your token automatically. At times it can bring out a pop-up, but because I've added my Twitch account before to Injecto, that's why it's not bringing out the pop-up. In case it brings out a pop-up, just click on agree or okay, and then it will be added. So once you have this, then you're good to go. The next thing is to go back to your dashboard. So you can either click on the select video here or just click on the upload button here. It takes you to the same page. So once you're here, you can see the option, you can search YouTube videos or you can upload video from your computer. So here I'm just going to search for a particular video. Let's say Clicko. Let's say I want to promote Clicko. I want to go live with a video on Clicko so that I can direct those live visitors, those live viewers, those engaging viewers to my affiliate link and in turn get commissions. So I'm going to search for Clicko videos and click on search YouTube. So it's going to bring out tons and tons of videos that I can use, as you can see. And you can actually use this video because it's as Creative Commons. So let's say I want to pick any of this video. So I'm just going to select this for example, and then you click on the next button. So once you click on the next button, the next thing you need to do is to give your video a title. So here I'm just going to I get paid $30 per click every single day. So I can say discover. So here you enter your description, which will include what the video is all about and also a call to action link. This is very, very important. If you do not include your call to action link, there's no way your viewers are going to turn to traffic and then sales. So I can say click here to get access. That will be my call to action, and then I'll put my affiliate link here, or any website you want to get traffic. So once I'm done with that, then you select the date you want to go live with this video. So you can see this works on complete autopilot. You don't have to be online. You can schedule as many videos as possible and they go live automatically without you being in front of your system, and you start getting words and words of visitors, live viewers on your videos that take action immediately. How awesome is that? And you don't even have to start fighting with the big giants on YouTube and all. So here I'm just going to select the date, then pick any random date. You can see you can select the time as well, then AM or PM. Once you're done, you need to select a thumbnail for your video. So also we have a thumbnail creator that allows you to create your own thumbnail. So yeah, I'm just going to select the thumbnail. I'll use this and click on open. So as you can see, the thumbnail has been added, and then boom, this is the third click, which is create events. And as you can see, in 3 simple clicks, our event has been created. So you can see the event is here. So to be sure that our event has been created, you'll see your event URL here. So you can click here to actually see if our event is on Twitch. So I'm going to scroll down to confirm this. As you can see, the event is there. Can you see? So all you have to do is just to leave it and let it run on complete autopilot. So you don't even have to create the video manually, like I said. Also, we have the video creator, which allow you to turn images to video. So let's say you don't even want to use the millions of video that you have access to. You can go to the video creator and create your own video using the slideshow video maker. As you can see, all you have to do is just to select the images that you want to turn to video. So as you can see, so that's how Injecto works in 3 simple clicks. You can start getting live viewers that translate to traffic and sales in just 3 simple clicks. So thank you for watching.
Okay, so again, this is the access to the back end area of the software. We have your dashboard, you have your way to select a video, video creator, all these different things all inside of here. But there are a bunch of OTOs. So the first OTO you're going to see is the unlimited version here. This is going to allow you to do, I guess, unlimited videos with this. But here's the important part. Move your mouse away and you can bring that price down from 47 to 37. So you can get a discount on that. If you're going to get it, make sure that you get it at the lowest price. Again, I make less as an affiliate, but I always want you guys to get the lowest prices. Give me a like if you like the fact that I show you these discounts. Next one is done for you. Add 30 done for you campaigns in. If you move your mouse away, you can bring that price down from $297 to $197. So that's a $100 discount if you're going to get that. Next one here, you can, looks like an autopilot version of this. Move your mouse away, you can bring the price down $20 to $27. Next one here is done for you traffic here. So it's going to give you more traffic. Move your mouse away and you bring the price down $50 to $97. Next one here, it's a missing code thing, an extra thing with this. You can get a $50 discount if you move your mouse away. Next one here is I think they give you high ticket stuff to promote, and you can bring that price down to 27 if you move your mouse away. 1K injections, making $1,000 without doing any work. So you can get a $50 discount, bring that down to 47. Next one here is resale rights. You can bring that price down $120 to 77. And the last one here is a bunch of other softwares that they have. You get it for $27 here. Again, there's a lot of upsells, upgrades. You don't need to buy them all. They are completely optional. Pick and choose which ones you want and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about Injecto and what don't I like about it? If I have to say something that I don't like about it, the sales page is really hypey and you're not going to necessarily be making $20 affiliate commissions over and over and over again just because you use this software. This is a tool for your business. If you are going to use this as a way of streaming videos live on Twitch and you want to use that as a traffic method, that's great, but just don't think that this is going to make you magical income because that doesn't exist. What do I like about this? This is the first time I've ever seen a Twitch streaming tool like this. So if you're interested in getting free traffic and you want to use Twitch as a traffic platform, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Injecto, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.